Okay, so we're talking about lowest terms here for a fraction. Lowest terms means the numerator of the fraction and the denominator of the fraction both end up being as low as they can go. You cannot divide a common number out of them. So in this case, 56, if we were to use our factor tree, we could say that was equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. If we did the factor tree from the previous video, that's what we'd end up with. 32, we can say 32 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and it's just 5 2's. Not very exciting. But what we will notice, take a different color here, that we can get rid of everything that's common. So what we got rid of really was 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So we can divide 8 out of the numerator. 56 divided by 8 is 7. We can divide 8 out of the denominator. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And therefore we have a fraction in lowest terms. It means there's nothing else that can be divided out at the top and bottom to make it lower. Now one thing you'll notice while I have you is this is what's called an improper fraction. And you probably read that on the slide. An improper fraction has a numerator that is larger than the denominator. Okay? It doesn't really mean anything except for the fact that we call it improper to recognize the fact that the numerator is larger, right? What it does mean is if I turned it into a decimal, this would be a decimal number larger than 1. That's what it does mean. We'll see you at the next slide.